Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by saving all your work and closing open apps to avoid data loss. Create a system restore point so you can undo changes if necessary. If you prefer, export your taskbar layout using a third-party tool before continuing. Note which Windows version you are running, such as Windows 10 or Windows 11. This determines exact steps and settings names that we will use. Prepare for a 5-minute process so you stay focused and patient. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and select Processes to find Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer and choose End Task to stop the shell safely. Wait 2 to 5 seconds for processes to release file locks and resources. Then click File, Run New Task, type Explorer, EXE, and press Enter to restart the shell. Observe the taskbar as it reloads and restores icons and pinned items. This method clears most visual glitches quickly and safely. If restarting Explorer does not help, clear icon cache and related caches from app data to remove stale icons. Open PowerShell as administrator and run commands to unregister and re-register taskbar components when instructed. You can also remove corrupted pin shortcuts and recreate them manually after cleanup. Restart your PC if the taskbar still misbehaves to ensure all services restart fresh. Finally, check for Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.